So I am busy planning my trip to Lake Whakamaru. Lake Whakamaru is right down here. Been here a number of times in the camper van, and it's quite nice. There's a gravel road that you have to follow down, and there is a toilet and shower facility over here, and there is a toilet and shower facility over here. So I'm thinking of going to, there's a place called Little Waipa Reserve. The plan is to go via that. What I'm going to do is add in the Foursquare in Mangakino. It's going to go to Foursquare in Mangakino. So we'll take a detour there and then we'll go to Lake Whakamaru. Little Waipa Reserve. I didn't record myself going down the Karmais, but if that's something that interests you, then drop me a comment and I'll record myself going down the Karmais and back up again when I go visit Matamata or something like that. The reserve is quite surprisingly busy. It looks like the camper van guys have gotten some type of event going, and there's a tent and a large number of camper vans parked up. It's a lovely reserve, this. It's free to camp, and they've got hot water shower and a toilet. There, we're just passing it there. And now I'm about to leave the reserve. If you look to the right, you'll see the tent. Coming up to the Arapuni Dam here. It's a single lane and you have to watch out. It's very difficult to see the oncoming traffic. So I try and get across here as quickly as possible. And there's two sections of the road that are single lane. So as we go to the left here, there's another section that's single lane, and it's really difficult to see if there's oncoming cars. I think this is the spillway. And I don't know if you see here, but there's a car that I've just passed that had come down that was invisible to me until I was halfway across the bridge. Love this section of road. It's nice and twisty. A lot of little twisties to go around. And coming up next to the lake or the river, it could be the Waikato River. The scenery is beautiful. Going down to the Mangakino Reserve quickly. Apparently, you don't need a self-contained certificate to stay over here, and tents are allowed. So, not 100% sure of that fact, but that's what I've heard. Lovely sight this. Fantastic view. Stayed here once before in the camper van. Coming off up to the Lake Whakamaru turnoff. As you turn off here, there's a gravel road. It's usually in fairly good condition, so I'm hoping it's pretty good. I have been here over Christmas time when it's been a little worse for wear. The first camping spot or camping area is as you come in on the right. There's a shower and toilet facilities over here, and then carry on a little bit along the lake side, and then you get to the second camping area. Now we're coming up to the second camping area. The toilet and shower facilities coming up on the right, and there's a couple of camper vans here. I'm surprised. I was expecting it to be empty, but apparently other people had the same idea as me. And there's the shower and toilet. I'll probably pitch my tent somewhere here. It's a chilly morning this morning. There's a light mist that's over everything. Had my cup of coffee, so now I'm almost ready to go. The mist though is quite eerie, looking out over the lake. I had one of those dehydrated meals last night, those hiking meals, and that was terrible. I need to find another plan for tasty dinners. Any suggestions, please let me know, but I'm going to need to find something else to eat. Those are just tasteless as far as I'm concerned. Watching the lava dome, it's quite incredible seeing it. It's directly ahead of me at the moment. You can see it in the distance. I had to leave pretty much at midday because my tent was wet and it took ages to dry. What do? Do you pack up and leave with the wet tent in the bag, or do you wait for it to dry? Let me know. I'm not 100% sure how to cope with a wet tent in the mornings. And what happens if it rains? Do we just pack it up and then pitch it in the garage and let it dry? That's probably what I'll do the next time, because this time I waited till midday before it was dry enough to actually pack up. The Rotorua lakes, it's incredible. You love it, especially this side of the lake. There's a lot less houses and the view is incredible. Whoops, looks like somebody went off the road. People sometimes don't drive to the conditions. These roads are fairly slick, I don't know if you can notice, but in the center of of my side of the road, there's a bit of a green patch that looks pretty slippery to me. Coming up to Okere Falls now. I think that'll be the last of my trip. I'll end the video now after this. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more from me, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button. Any comments, please feel free to leave them, and I'll try to get back to anybody who leaves me a comment. See you again next time. Thanks for watching.